have to download Lucky Patcher, link in description.
After downloading it, open Lucky Patcher. After opening Lucky Patcher, search Subway Surfer and click on it. Press on menu of patches, create modified APK file, and again click on fourth option APK rebuild for in-app and LVL emulation. Click on rebuild the app. Wait for some times. I will forward this for you. Friends, it is completed now. It has come that N1 is success, N2 is success, but N3 and N4 is failed. It's okay if N3 and N4 is failed. Only N1 and N2 should be success. Then click on OK. Uninstall the Subway Surfers now. Then you can install it later as it will be hacked. Exit Lucky Patcher. Uninstall Subway Surfers. Again open Lucky Patcher. Go to rebuild and install. Again click on Lucky Patcher. Modified Subway Surfers. Subway Surf APK will be install it. Click on S. Install. Click on allow. I'll forward it for you. Install is done, friends. Now you can click on done and go back. Exit Lucky Patcher. Go back to games and open Subway Surfers. Wait until it loads. So I'm going to put the weather race. I had been just opened it. So I'm putting something yeah, 2018. It's okay, nothing will happen. Okay. I'll play one time. Double tap for on the road. After this, go back to home and go to shop, store, then click on anything you want. You'll get it all. Click on S. Yes, jackpot. You get the all money. If you want, you can buy some of the keys. Yes. You get them all. Full money, full everything. You can buy anything. You can buy many of boats, etc. Enjoy. Full of money. You can buy anything over here. You get those money. Please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you friends. Enjoy.